It is Monday, January 16th, and you're seeing firsthand what some of the weather looks like here in Harlan. Probably less than a quarter inch of ice. The side streets are particularly bad. We'll swing around here from the newspaper. It's raining right now. You can see the ice caking below. It was much worse earlier this morning. That's rippled ice right there. Numerous Harlan businesses are closed. Look down the street, just a few cars here and there. You can hear my feet cracking. We'll get some other shots here in a little bit, but it's almost 9 o'clock on Monday morning, and I'm standing in the middle of the street right in front of the Harlan newspapers. Looking at downtown Harlan here, and you can see it's pretty darn quiet. Dan Crease putting out some salt. Not a business open. It's raining, as I mentioned. That sheen you see is all ice. We'll swing back and look at the north side of the square here. As you can tell, nobody is open. Just too treacherous and dangerous on the side hills and streets. Dan Crease is putting salt down on the county courthouse. They are not open today, but just being precautious. Wind is starting to pick up here. Hopefully we won't start seeing branches come down. We are at Pioneer Park. This is a good example of the side streets here. Pine Street is nothing more than a solid sheet of ice. I actually parked the newspaper's car head in, and it slowly rotated completely around. Driving from downtown to this location, I have not seen one car. Everyone is staying home. You can hear my feet crunching. That is just solid, slick ice there, folks. Got a light rain. Like I said, you can just see how the car just wheeled right around by itself. Hopefully we won't have any high winds. The ice on the trees has started to come off, or at least there's probably a very thin coating. We'll see if we can get up the evergreen over there. It's hard to see on these videos as I slip along, but we'll see if no, there's ice on those. If we get some wind, we're in a world of hurt. So ice-coated tree limbs and ice-coated streets. You can't really tell. It's just solid, slick ice. And the wind's starting to pick up, unfortunately. I'm out on Highway 59, and as you can see, there is nobody out here. We'll swing by Sorensen Ford here and Harlan Auto Mart. Got a semi stopped and just knowing the roads are bad. Highway 59 is clear. It's probably gotten broken up because of the rain and traffic and the brine. But just at Fairway, and had one shopper there. They're cleaning up, and as you can tell, Keast is pretty quiet as well too.